Hi, man, woman, and sex. That's the topic today. Every man has an attraction towards the woman. It is a chemistry, it is the product which has been put in you, which reacts when you look at a woman. Every man looks at a woman with lot of affection, love, and all this is garbed or the hidden feeling of that sexual urge which makes him show so much of love and affection to the opposite sex. This sexual urge which comes into a teen to death is a very natural phenomena. I would say every man or a teen spends lot of time thinking about his urge and how to fulfill those is his primary concern. He may eat, he may sleep, he may do any other activity, but in the back of his mind, it's always that urge which keeps him going. When he is a teen, he satisfies himself by self gratification and in fantasizing lot of activity with the opposite sex. It can be same for a female to think in terms of a man or a teen girl towards a young boy. It's common for both men and women to have this urge. The power which has made the male and the female have put in that kind of chemical in their system. The chemical or the urge comes basically because all are created by that sex energy. So naturally their genes have them flowing in their system, and the man and woman react according to their feelings, according to their fantasies, according to their situations. Everybody behaves in a certain way depending on so many factors. Majority of them control their urges because of the social controls created by the society. Whether it is in the east or in the west, every parent wants their children to lead a good, decent, and happy life. But the whole issue is the urge which works on these people does not manage to be satiated.